It's 5:53 a.m. and today I'm eating Sloppy Joe's. Like this is chicharrón mixed with barbacoa, cebolla, cilantro, and salsa verde. And I also already added some limon. I'm just gonna make tacos. Enchilada. That's good. Did I mention it has beans? And by the way, these are leftovers. Taquito or tacote. Leftovers really hidden. I haven't eaten in 24 hours. I was gonna show y'all like me eating it by ripping it apart, but I just decided to make tacos. But then I just thought, you know what, make tacos. Instead of presenting them, just make them. Last bite. All in my head all over again. And if you're wondering what I'm gonna drink, it's water. Peace.